walk outside, look at the sun, and then a chew? Yeah, you're not allergic to daylight. You've just got something called the photic sneeze reflex. It's a weird glitch in your wiring. Basically, your brain mixes up signals. Light hits your eyes and your brain goes, cool, let's sneeze now. Why? No one's totally sure. It's just how some brains roll. About 1 in 3 people do it. So if you sneeze at the sun, congrats, you're part of the club. It's harmless, just maybe don't stare straight into the sun. For real.